You're about to see a tiny speaker, the JBL Go 4, get absolutely caked in mud. Most electronics would be toast, right? But this little powerhouse is built different. You think it's just a tough shell? Think again. There's a hidden, microscopic secret at play, something you can't even see, that makes this tiny speaker laugh in the face of mud. But what unseen force is truly protecting its most delicate parts? Every day, our gadgets face incredible abuse. Drops, spills, the elements. And usually, they fail spectacularly. But what if a device was engineered to not just survive, but thrive in the most hostile environments? We're diving deep into the science and engineering marvels behind the JBL Go 4's legendary durability. Get ready to have your mind blown by the tech that lets this speaker conquer the elements. First up, let's talk about its armor, the IP67 rating. This isn't just marketing fluff, it's a rigorous international standard. IP6 means it's totally dust-tight, sealed against even the finest particles you can imagine. And IP7? That means it can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes and still come out blasting your favorite tunes. How do they achieve this? It's all about precision engineering. The seams are incredibly tight, with industrial-grade gaskets and rubberized port covers that create an impenetrable barrier. Every button, every charging port, every tiny opening is meticulously sealed. This isn't just about surviving a splash, it's about enduring a full-on mud bath. But a tough exterior is only half the battle. What happens when the mud tries to sneak past the front lines? Even with an IP67 rating, there's always a risk of microscopic water or mud particles making their way inside. So, engineers go a step further. We're talking about a multi-layered defense system. The internal circuit boards are often conformal coated, a thin, polymeric film applied to electronic components to protect them from moisture, dust, chemicals, and extreme temperatures. Think of it like an invisible, waterproof force field around the sensitive microchips. This coating prevents electrical shorts and corrosion, which are the silent killers of most electronics exposed to liquids. And it's not just the boards, internal connectors are often gold-plated for corrosion resistance. This level of internal protection ensures that even if a tiny breach occurs, the core functionality remains untouched. But how does all this heavy-duty protection impact the sound quality? That's the real challenge. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. A speaker needs an open surface, a cone, to move air and create sound. But an open surface is an invitation for mud and water. So, how does the JBL Go 4 deliver crisp audio when it's covered in gunk? It's a combination of clever material science and acoustic design. The speaker cone itself is often made from materials that are naturally hydrophobic and rigid, like specific polymer composites. This allows mud to slide off easily without clinging or dampening the vibrations. What's more, the speaker grille isn't just for looks, it's designed with specific hole patterns that allow sound waves to pass through efficiently while minimizing the amount of debris that can accumulate. And get this, many durable speakers incorporate self-draining channels or materials that actively repel water. It's a delicate dance between robust protection and uncompromised audio. This engineering feat is truly remarkable. If you're finding this deep dive into gadget durability as awesome as I am, hit that subscribe button. We're always breaking down the hidden science behind your everyday tech. If you're finding this deep dive into gadget durability as awesome as I am, hit that subscribe button. We're always breaking down the hidden science behind your everyday tech. So, what's the ultimate secret behind the JBL Go 4's mud-defying power? It's not just the seals or the tough casing. It's the often invisible hydrophobic nanocoatings applied to everything from the internal components to the speaker cone itself. These molecular layers create a surface where water and mud literally cannot stick, forcing them to bead up and roll away. It's a masterclass in material science, making the speaker not just resistant, but actively repellent. From IP67 seals to internal conformal coatings and those incredible hydrophobic surfaces, the JBL Go 4 is a testament to how advanced engineering can make our tech truly indestructible. So next time you see a rugged device, remember the incredible science working behind the scenes. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, And let me know in the comments what other everyday tech you want us to scientifically dissect.